Hi, this is Teacher Deck, and today we will have a review about decimals. We'll start with addition and subtraction of decimals. Let's say we have the given 318.41 plus 92.445. First thing that we have to do is to align the given factors, align them with the decimal point, and then we will execute the addition process. As you can see here, there's no digit on the hundreds place for the first factor, but we can assume that this is 0 because they have the same value. And we will have the sum 410.855. For division, for subtraction of decimals, we will do the same. We will align the decimal places, and then we will fill up the blank spaces with 0 because they have the same value. And now we are ready to execute the subtraction process. When we subtract these two numbers, we will have 457.332. Moving on to multiplication of decimals. If we have the factors 5.045 times 3, we will multiply them as if they are whole numbers. Then when we have the product, we will now count the number of digits after the decimal point. In this case, we have 3. So we will put the decimal point from the last given digit, counting 3 places to the left. That should be here, and we will have 15.135. There are some cases wherein we multiply fractions to figures of tens, and in this case, we can do mental multiplication. When you have 10 as a factor, we will just move the decimal place. In this case, we will move it one place to the right because there's tens place only. So that is 2.47. When we multiply them by 100, we will move the decimal places to two places, and so on. In case we are multiplying numbers with decimal places such as 0.10, we can do the same, but this time we will move the decimal places to the left. So 46.5 times 0.10 is 4.65. If you multiply it by zero point 100 or zero point 1000, we will just move the decimal places to the left according to the number of 0 given. Last is division of decimals. Let's say we have 3.125 divided by 0.5. So we will move the decimal places so that we can divide them as if it's a whole number. 31.25 divided by 5 is equals to 6.25. There are also instances wherein we have to divide decimal points to group of zeros such as 100. We will do the same process that we did in the multiplication table. Count the number of zeros, and that is how many places you will move the decimal point. In this case, we have 2, so we will move it to the left twice, and we will have 0.218 as our quotient. 21.8 divided by zero point 0.1, we will now move the decimal place to the right. And we will have 2,180. I will see you for our sit work. Thank you.